Hi guys. DigitalOcean has established itself as a prominent player in the cloud hosting market, particularly appealing to developers and small to medium sized businesses. Its offerings are designed to provide a straightforward and efficient way to host website and application. Here a comprehensive look at what DigitalOcean brings to the table for web hosting user friendly interface. One of the standout features of DigitalOcean is its intuitive user interface. The platform is designed to simplify the process of deploying and managing web applications. User can easily create and manage Droplets virtual machine with just a few clicks, making it accessible even for those who may not have extensive technical expertise. This ease of use is particularly beneficial for developer looking to quickly launch project without getting bored down its complex configuration, performance, and scalability. DigitalOcean infrastructure is built on high-performance SSD based strong storage, which significantly enhance the speed and reliability of web application. The platform offers scalable solution, allowing users to start with a small droplet and easily upgrade to large instance as their need grow. This flexibility is crucial for businesses that anticipate fluctuating traffic level, ensuring that they can scale resources up or down without hassle. Cost effectiveness. DigitalOcean is now for its competitive price structure, which appeal to startup and small businesses. They pay as you go model allow user to only pay for the resources they consumer, making it a budget friendly option for web hosting. User can choose from various droplet configuration to match their specific need, ensuring they get the best value for their investment. Community and support. The DigitalOcean community is robust and active, providing a wealth of resources for users. The platform offers extensive documentation, tutorial, and community forum where users can seek help and share knowledge. This community-driven support is invaluable, especially for those to web hosting or looking to troubleshoot specific issue. However, some users have reported that while the community is helpful, track customer support can sometimes be slow and to respond deployment option. DigitalOcean support a variety for deployment option, making it versatile for different type of web application. User can deploy application using pre-configured image for popular firework framework like Django, Node.js, and WordPress, which streamline the setup process. Additionally, the platform offer Kubernetes support for those looking to manage containerized application, further enhancing its appeal to developer. Security features. Security is a critical consideration for any web hosting services, and DigitalOcean provides several features to help protect user data. User can implement firewall, enable two-factor authenticator, and utilize provide networking to enhance security. These features are essential for businesses that handle sensitive information and need to ensure compliance with data protection regulation.